has been such a simple software that he has trained the receptionist to become an accountant. Reduces our time in terms of the person who's issuing the invoice. Format given by the GST website for filing of HSN summary was changed. The most important part in my business is managing inventory. Hi, this is Vineet Sancheti, entrepreneur at Sancheti Global Inc. Bangalore. We are importers and dealers of polyester yarn, nylon yarn, spices, food additives and hardware items. In 1994, my father implemented the Tally software in his factory. I personally have been using Tally from the past 17 years now. There's been no looking back. Tally has helped me a lot in managing of inventory, account, financials. Moreover, the features, compliance of GST, be it payroll management or even TDS, TCS. I have done all this through only Tally, and I do not require the auditor's help, even in spite of having huge financial data and capturing all of them at a single click. E-way bill integration with Tally has been a superb effect where it reduces our time in terms of the person who's issuing the invoice. At a single click can even generate the e-way bill along with the invoice, with the e-way bill number printed on your invoice and then issued. The time taken is 1/5 now because of Tally Prime 2. Secondly, features of Tally in terms of filing of GST returns. Tally has integrated in such a way, like in my personal experience last month, the format given by the GST website for filing of HSN summary was changed. They asked for additional details like GST rate. From the time of implementation, within 5 days, Tally upgraded its version and it was a free flow functioning of filing even GSTR 3B or GSTR 1 with a click of Tally software. The most important part in my business is managing inventory. We being in various business verticals have verticals such as textile. In textile, we have products like polyester yarn, nylon yarn. Further, we have batch classification. Because we are in imports, each costing is just not a simple purchase entry, but there are various additional entries. Each of my inventory is maintained in batches. At a click of a button, I can see the product category as a whole. For example, polyester yarn, the average costing. Second, going a step further, like for example, we have black polyester yarn, the average costing for black. Going further, several batches, I can know the exact cost till the decimal places of my, like maybe 2 decimal, 3 decimals. I can know the exact cost of each of my batch inwarded in my warehouse. Every time I make a bill, it gives me the exact profit what I've earned from that batch. Tally Solutions. It is solving by the power of simplicity truly.